A link to earn Shiba Inu currency and a live update can be found in the video description. Before you start watching, hurry up and leave before it's too late. Thanks. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Shib. Today, we have news of a new way for Samsung to convert Shiba Inu into a $3 token over the past week. The most popular cryptocurrency in your wallets was the Shiba Inu. A recent study by an online analytics firm found that baby boomers couldn't care less about banking. But money is fun when it can be programmed online. Many people would probably guess Bitcoin if you ask them what they think is the most popular first currency for people who are just starting to use cryptocurrency in the last week. But it does not seem to be Bitcoin, nor is it a peer-to-peer network computer. Ethereum, which is the second digital currency by market capitalization. In this video, we will talk about how Samsung came up with a new way to convert Shiba Mass into $3 tokens. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to see the latest Shiba Inu price forecast and expert analysis. Let's start the video without further ado. Nansen found some data on-chain that showed Shiba Inu was the most popular non-metallic digital asset for newly funded crypto wallets over the past week. During that time, Nansen placed more than $56 million in SHIB tokens into 12,000 new wallets. Nansen said that unlike stablecoins, the Urkfini token was the cryptocurrency that appeared most often in these balances. The Shiba Inu has seen a slight drop in price. Just like the rest of the market, the decline occurred at the same time that stock prices began to fall after their January rally. Analysts and commentators pointed to the disappointing economic data and more hawkish interest rate talk from the Fed. It is the reason behind Ether escaping on Uniswap, and Shiba is the most popular trading partner by stake by volume. But Binance holds most of the Shiba Inu and SHIB balances. There have been false reports that Binance has removed Shiba Inu from its list. On the other hand, the central cryptocurrency exchange has removed some trading pairs that only involve shipping. SHIB fans are looking forward to Shibarium, which was just announced. Shibarium is an Ethereum Layer 2 ecosystem for launching decentralized applications that use SHIB as native token. According to Whale Statistics serving the Whale platform, new data shows that the Shiba Inu holdings of the world's largest Ethereum whale have grown by hundreds of millions of dollars in less than a week since January 17. The top 1,000 whales bought $422 million worth of meme assets before the same whales were said to own a SHIB worth about $168 million. This means that according to Whale Stats, they have purchased 151% more than Dogecoin competitor in just 4 days. The Shiba Inu is now the digital asset of the top 1,000 whales. This is because there are now another 584 million digital assets owned by high net worth people who are not SHIB holdings. The merchants include the Chainlink link provider Oracle, which is valued at $65 million, decentralized exchange Uniswap Uni, and cryptocurrency $58 million, and interoperable blockchain worth $55 million. Whale activity around the Shiba Inu may affected the price of the meme token, which rose from $1,040.05 on Jan 17 to $1,210 at the highest point since then. SHIB continued to rise and is now worth $1,220.06. Whales buy stocks as the ecosystem prepares for a beta release of Shibarium, a proposed second tier for competitor Doge. Protocol B, which is a Layer 2 network built on Ethereum like Polygon Matic, Arbitrum, and the Shiba Inu coin optimism, has taken a lot of benefits from the crypto rally of the past few days, and this is especially true in the past week. The price rose sharply again, and its value increased by more than 20%. Many investors believe that prices will go up a lot in the next few months and years. John Richmond is an English-Italian fashion designer who has worked with a lot of famous people like Madonna, Rolling Stones, and Gwen Stefani, all of whom are beloved by the critics. The fashion designer is now putting more of his attention on Web3. The new way of doing things comes from the benefits of decentralization. According to Richmond's tweet, the revolutionary punk rock movement and the invention of Web3 have a lot in common. The famous designer says it shows strong energy and a desire for change, much like the punk rock movement in the UK in the 1980s. Rock and roll has always been about giving a chance to the voiceless and the downtrodden. Listen for breaking the rules and questioning the status quo. This is the same energy that keeps the artists and people in the Web3 community going. John Richmond. John Richmond has worked with a lot of famous people in the past. Recently, he and Snoop Dogg were on the cover of Vogue. The famous hip-hop artist has given fashion a touch of West Coast style. John Richmond's idea of experimenting with different styles fits perfectly into rebellious street style, with a classic twist as Shib Army was so glad Snoop Dogg was in Vogue. In response, some Army Shib members asked the lead developer, Satoshi Kazama, on Twitter to have Snoop Dogg show up at Ryoshi Plaza or Bark Park and ship the metaverse. Ultimately, Ship the Metaverse is assumed to finish Web3 project from the Shiba Inu developer team. But before Shib, the metaverse could be triggered. Shibarium should release a Layer 2 scaling solution. Surprising. Look, sir. Snoop Dogg when the Ryoshi Plaza musical hashtag ships. You'll be a welcome guest in the metaverse. Do you agree? Hashtag Army Shiba Ship Token Edge Ship Toshikazu Azuma. Can we? How about no one spoke? The Shiba Inu community is eagerly awaiting the launch of the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain, and the official accounts of the Shiba Inu ecosystem and core developer Satoshi Kusama are giving hints as to when that might happen. Get hints from what Satoshi Kusama says on Twitter. Army of Shib believes Shibarium Beta will be released on Valentine's Day, February 14th. Satoshi Kusama, who is responsible for the development of the Shiba Inu, has changed his Twitter bio and added hints about when the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain will come out. The new bio says he pays attention to the pine tree of life and learns to quickly play the flute before placing the Shibarium in a heart-shaped box with a bow. In a Jan 20 tweet, Shiba Inu whale supporters said the Shibarium is scheduled for Feb 14, which is Valentine's Day. The Shiba Inu community believes the new bio means Shibarium Theta will launch on Valentine's Day, though not everything is ready for launch yet. The fact that the official Shibarium Twitter account posted documentation about the core ideas and the Bone token shows that the launch is near. Shibarium's development work is also getting busier. On the other hand, GitHub data shows that the launch may be delayed due to things that are not planned. This has happened before. On the other hand, Shiba Inu and Bone symbols bring whales. The rate of gray hair burning has gone up and public opinion has gone up at all times. Certic, a leader in blockchain security, has found that Shiba Inu is the second most secure crypto project. The price of shibaswap Bone is now $1.43, which is an 8% increase in the last 24 hours. Investors and whales are interested in this currency. Samsung Electronics said the Samsung mobile wallet app will now be available in 8 more countries. The South Korean-based tech giant said the wallet app may reach Singapore, Australia, Brazil, Hong Kong, Canada, India, Malaysia, and Taiwan by the end of January. Samsung Wallet can be used in these countries. In a new release, the company said that the exact launch date will depend on the user's devices in the market. Samsung released the wallet app in 2022. Since it was first introduced in June, the number of countries supporting it has increased.